He's having a photo shoot, yeah. Y'all come out every night? Yes, I do. Every night for the last 1 year. Hit the follow button. They are doing TikTok videos. Kara, thank you, Kara. Don't catch pneumonia. I had bronchitis last week. Last week I had bronchitis. Yeah, he's doing TikTok videos. Both the guys are doing TikTok videos. Where is this? Times Square. TikTok shop. TikTok shop. You sell cars? Welcome in. We're live every day. Who has not followed yet? Who has not hit the follow button? Get her at? Y'all are hilarious. Follow you back? I don't even see you follow. Get her at Ash. Get it at. Get the at. Live on TikTok every day. That like like the I think it's just a fake, or is it just like a thing? I don't know if it's like real fake or look at the photographer chasing him down. Look at the photographer chasing him down. Look at the photographer, y'all. He's gonna ask him for photos. You see that? Look. He's gonna ask him for a photo. You want me to take your photo? Look. See? These photographers are desperate, man. Look, y'all, look. He's going up to him right now. Excuse me. Isn't that crazy? You sell cars? Okay, can we mute you? Did y'all see that? Holy sh! The guy's trying to make $10. New York City is wild, yeah. He's chasing them like the photo. He's about to be in a rude awakening when he finds out what he's running to. He thinks he's running for a baddie. You're not even supposed to be outside right now. Molly with the Super Pops. Okay? Just watch your video. Snatch the 15 Win Streak Live Pro. Yeah, that was crazy. That battle was crazy, man. Thanks for watching. I should have dropped the video tonight. That's what I should have dropped. What video do I want going viral? This one? If you want to know anything about me, look at my videos. Tooth Fairy with a thank you, Tupa. Tooth Fairy with the thing, thank you. I'm about to read your comments, don't worry. 34% battery. Tim Real, seen you on Fox. Everybody's seen me on Fox. Grab the super fan box. Oh shit, somebody gifted a super fan box. Here we go. Phil Thomas in the building, gifting somebody a super fan. Who wants to become a super fan for free? You got 2 minutes. Thank you, Phil. You're a beast. Lauren did 5 earlier. Everybody's doing. What car is this right here? What is that? What do y'all want to see, everybody? What do you want to see? You saw me? Hopefully you got a screenshot. Molly with the hearts. Molly with the hearts. Where'd that car go? Just disappear. What the hell? You're looking right at me. Oh, can you take